code explanation. First of all, in the first time loop or the single time loop, remember, anything that we write in this part of the program, it's going to be executed only once, and everything that we write inside of this part of the program, it's going to be executed over and over. So the first part is that I need to specify if my input is going to be, actually if my port is going to be an input or an output. So I need to use these instructions, pin mode, and inside of the parentheses I need to write the name of the port, that is port 0 and port 1. If you remember, my port 0, this one was designated as a digital input, and the port number 1 was designated to be a digital output. So here in port 0 I specify it is an input, and my port 1 is a digital output. Now after this I need to check over and over if I press the button, and if I press the button I need to turn on my LED. So I need to perform a condition. You remember, this if conditional has only two options, yes or not. So I'm going to compare my digital value on port 0, and remember, a digital value can be 0 or 1. So 1 is equals to 5 volts, so that means that I press the button. So this conditional says if I press the button, then execute whatever I write inside of these brackets. So if I press the button, I'm going to execute this instruction, that is, send a signal into my digital output. My digital output is my port number 1, and I'm going to send the output high. Remember, output high is 5 volts. So if I press the button, I'm going to send 5 volts into my port number 1, and my LED is going to turn on. And also I specify if I didn't press the button, any other condition different from digital inputs to input equals to 1, that means input equals to 0, and that's that I am not pressing the button. So if I don't press the button, I want you to send into my digital output a low value. So I send 0 volts into my digital output, and that means that my LED is not going to turn on. And that's it. Really easy, right?